experience of 9 years, the advice that I will not say advice, I'll say that what I learned from all these years, I would say that I try to have a foster and a dynamic environment where student can have a inclusive learning environment that encourages curiosity first, because students feel very shy in asking a question, and a critical thinking method with collaboration of their talking and with their interaction. Like if I'll explain it more in detail, like I'm teaching a topic to a student, how many of them will think in the other manner? Like segmentation I'm teaching, how many will think that if segmentation this company has did, and if they should not did it, so what can happen? So their critical thinking has to be enhanced, and try to use more technology to engage students effectively, because obviously they are better technologists than us. They are using more apps, more things than us. So it's the thing that we have to bring them on the path and recognize and appreciate diverse learning styles and adapt your instructional approach accordingly. Try to cultivate a genuine passion for the subjects you teach, because dull passion or dull kind of a feeling when you teach will not going to give the output that you desire. And as an enthusiasm is contagious and can inspire students to develop a love for learning. Be approachable and empathetic, creating a safe space for students to express their thoughts and concerns. Continuously strive for professional growth, staying up to date with your topics and with your subjects, with the latest educational research and trends. And remember that you have the power to shape minds and empower future generations. So approach your role with dedication, empathy, and commitment to a lifelong learning.